to secure first-class quality with smart manufacturing, to offer first-class service with intelligent manufacture, to build wonder homeland with intelligent manufacture. Quality changes the world. As the largest construction machinery manufacturer and the first brand of medium and large tonnage crane in China, SANY Mobile Crane goes beyond itself constantly to lead the transformation and upgrading from made in China to intelligently manufactured in China, for bringing crane products with reliable quality and excellent performance to customers, and share intelligently manufactured in China with the users throughout the world. SANY Mobile Crane will invest 5% to 7% of turnover into research and development every year to build global coordination research and development network and perfect digital platform construction. There are two major research and development manufacture bases in Ningxiang and Huzhou in China. The distribution of 4 major international research and development bases in US, Germany, India, and Brazil is completed. The research and development teams in the word cooperatively work. The creative SSP management system makes SANY Intelligent Manufacture become the synonym for the high standard of the industry. SANY continues to promote industry upgrading from research and development to service, from product to market huge date, from finance to the industrial internet industry ecological chain of value. In order to make intelligently manufactured in China win more praise from the world. At present, SANY Mobile Crane possesses 4 major series of products with over 100 specifications, which covers 8 to 3,600 ton cranes. The service network of SANY has covered over 100 countries and regions throughout the world to solve over 60% problems fleetly and remotely relying on ECC informatization system. SANY service will accompany every moment you need, from the North Pole to the equator, from day to night, from construction to rescue. SANY Mobile Crane realizes the service goal of exceeding customer expectations and industry standards by using first-class speed, first-class skills, and first-class attitude, and becomes the brand with the highest service satisfaction in users' minds. Centering on the double focusing strategy of focusing on key markets, focusing on international markets. SANY Mobile Crane takes the lead in breaking through crawler cranes and comprehensively follows up wheel cranes. From the first occupancy in Southeast Asian market to the first occupancy in Middle East market, joint venture Palfinger enters the European and American market, Pan-Russian region market. Nowadays, the international export proportion of SANY Mobile Crane has exceeded 40%, which has ranked the first in China crane export. We are deeply inspired by every success of users. We are deeply pleased by every laugh of users. Bravely to explore intelligent manufacture world, hand in hand to win better tomorrow. SANY Mobile Crane accompanies you all the way to enjoy the power of intelligent manufacture and to show the world a high-quality crane brand. SANY, with you.